So, hello everyone. My name is Mustafa, and okay, sorry, I'm on another page. So, taking over the stage from two of our talented folks who gave a lot of insights about how you can get into GSOC and what are the opportunities when you start contributing to open source. So, essential points given by both Murtaza sir and Siddharth, that what do mentors expect from you when you are writing a proposal, and what all opportunities you are up to when you are done with GSOC or any other sort of open source work where you are recognized with your contributions, not by just number of questions you do. So this is what we do at the field level. So my presentation will revolve around what are the expectations of a mentor from you once you are on board and doing your GSOC project. So this is a middle way. Murtaza started with how you can get into, and Siddharth gave you an insight what are the future scopes with it. So now let me begin with my presentation. All right. So the main title is it is explicitly stated that what are meant as a mentor's expectation from you once you are onboarded, once you are started, the community bonding period is done, and you are like all into your project. Let's discuss few of the common issues faced by contributors. Even I did. Uh, I forgot my introduction to, like, I'll give you a more context. I am like past year's contributor. I contributed in 2022, and I worked on ClickUp app for Rocket.Chat. And after that, I started interning at Atlan, and I'll be joining them full time soon. So this is it. And now let's discuss the common issues which most of the contributors faced. Even I did, and my other peers who were like past contributors faced. What we did, what our approach is, how we handled it, and how we successfully passed the GSOC period. The main thing, getting stuck. Everyone does get stuck. Even the seniors get stuck. The like moreover, GSOC is a entire program for new contributors, new people into open source. We get stuck. The main questions arise like how can we move forward and how to actually approach mentors and ask them. So I was mentored by two of our talented Rocketeers, Douglas sir, who is the technical lead there, and Alan sir. So my journey was really awesome. Like I got stuck, obviously, like others too, and like I was overwhelmed by their responses, and they were always there to guide me. So let's begin. I know you guys, you might be underwhelmed with my presentation because I have not done my homework yet regarding this. I have prepared underwhelmed, and Siddharth and Bhuta sir's presentations were like really amazing. So pardon for that. I was quite occupied with some personal errands. So moving forward, how can we ask mentors? So because when you are getting onboarded on GSOC in Rocket.Chat, our expectations as mentors would be definitely high. You are amongst the top chosen contributors among, probably last year I believe there were about 80 proposals we got, and this year's definitely the number is gonna be very much higher to that. So if you are getting selected, definitely our expectations are always high with you. And these are some few points which you can like note, or like just go through them and understand like what are mentors expectations and how should you approach these problems. First thing is, do your homework. Yes, absolutely. We as software developers often like get stuck at problems, but we are not expected to post, okay, this thing is breaking, how do I do that? Yes, our main job as a most of as a software developer, you guys are new contributors, would it be get your part of work done. What is it? Just try yourself, try brainstorming new ideas. How many, like, check the iterations, how many iterations have you done to that problem? And most importantly, go for a walk. If you are stuck at a problem for 30 minutes, just go for a walk and retry. I'm 100% sure you will get like ahead from the step which you were stuck at. This is a developer thing I'm sharing with you. So there is one more thing. Most of the time we are not stuck, we are just annoyed by the problem because we are just unable to think. So that is it. Try yourself. Now 2023, you guys have chat GPT, so AI is not gonna replace us, but AI is gonna replace the people who can't use AI properly. So get your hands on chat GPT, ask your stuff, get your basics cleared. I know chat GPT is not gonna do the entire work for you, but yet you are a talented person who can ask the AI, you can tame the AI to use it for your personal benefit, right? Moreover, see how others are doing it. There are tons of people ready to help on just you are a Google search away from your most of the problems, I believe. Just Google search. So this part covers it. What this part covers is that you just need to be prepared with your doubts, with everything. Do everything what you can do. Just don't be blank. Just do. Don't ask without researching about it. Like unlearned questioning is bad. Questioning is not bad. People are there to help you. People are always there to like move you forward whenever you are stuck. But unlearned questioning is bad as a developer. When you move into the corporate world, when you start your own job, you will not be expected to just blankly ask everything which is like very naive or basic. I know you are a new contributor, so you should develop, like we all must develop this trait of researching our level best, then moving forward, right? Cool. So talk to other contributors. I believe like past year there were many of the projects which were revolving around RC Apps Engine. So I remember a few of our folks which were working on Apps Engine, me, Samad, and Irfan. We created groups on Rocket.Chat, I mean channels, and we asked each other. It is open source world. Everything is open. The PRs are open. The people are contributing there. Like you should brainstorm your ideas. You should discuss it. I remember in the ClickUp app, the OAuth 2 module was recently launched in Apps Engine, and my app was first to implement it. So we helped each other. The mentioning part, the commenting part was done by Samad and some other like notifications part. So we all helped each other. This is open source. You need help. People will help. People need help. You will help them out. So this is the world of open source. You just contribute not only to the project but to others development too, which in return will add to yours, right? Reach out to other folks. Cool. Let's move ahead. Next thing is, yeah, bring your research. When you are approaching your mentor, you should always be in a way where you are giving multiple solutions to them and asking them for the best one, right? What I'm trying to say is that suppose I'm stuck at an X situation, suppose this model is not showing up. Do you think this should be the better approach to implement that, or do you think that should be the better approach? Or please advise further. This is the best way you're like you can approach your mentors. Complete, note it down. Don't be blank with your question. I was doing that and I was stuck at that. Please make a detailed talk, or I would say just a simple message, detailed message that okay, I was trying to do this, I tried this and I'm stuck at this. So this is a very good way to do that, and how you approach to your mentors and seniors. Cool. So let's move ahead. Yeah, so I would just simply summarize it. I hope I didn't take a lot of time. So the basic idea of my presentation here was that like I along with other contributors was stuck at some part, and we how we resolved it and how I reached out to mentors. I asked my mentors too. They were happy about it that I am actively like researching my questions and reaching out with them with a detailed stuff like yeah detailed message or what all I tried and where all I failed and what are the possible solutions and what is their advice. So once you get onboarded, you will see a lot of stuff like that. And this year I'm amazed by the domains we have project in, like the token economy, asking like summarizing your chats with using the AI. So yes, definitely you will get stuck at part, but what your job is as a contributor or how you should approach it is all up to you, because you are one of the talented folk onboarding this GSOC journey. So this is it. Thank you everyone. I hope it was good. Bye bye.